use like any type of soap, honestly, because they make the like beauty blender cleaners, and those are expensive. You literally just need any type of bar soap. This one is like good for like acne, prone skin, which is kind of what I have. And then I was using like a dial soap. So yeah, just keep washing it, squeeze it out, and then for the most part, you're able to start with like a decently clean sponge. I can probably wash it a little bit more right there, but yeah. I like to make me tea when I have time. I already filled this up with water, and I'm just going to turn it on high, let the water boil, and then I'll grab my tea bags up here. I like to do two, so I always do the mint, and then I always do like chamomile. So any type of mint, and then any chamomile. And they kind of balance each other out, and then I just have some organic honey, and I will just set these here. Grab me a glass, just a clear there, and I'm gonna open these. So my water is nice and hot. Then I'm gonna pour the hot water on the honey. And then I'm gonna stick my tea bags in there. And I'm just gonna let those do their thing for a minute. Come in here and do my makeup. This is my little spot where you guys always see me like record and sitting and doing my videos and everything. So this is it, my room. But yeah, I'm gonna just get ready really quick and go on with the day. Okay, so I just got done doing my makeup. Nothing too crazy, just like this is like my basic go-to makeup look. So obsessed with the clear bags and stuff. I think they're fun because you can find like little bags to put in there, different kinds, which I haven't done yet. But I'm thinking if I should carry that one. I'm thinking if I should change it out. This one is from Aldo. I haven't used it yet. Oh my gosh. Like those satisfying videos. But I don't know if it's going to match. I think it's super cute because this one I can carry it 2 ways. I think it's really cute. Maybe I should carry it. I'll show you how this one looks. this one's just like, the little clear one matches a lot better. This bag is so cute. I just realized that it has like a little key on the back. I need to go get my nails done. I took my Halloween ones off. Maybe do it today. I don't know. I feel so naked without my nails. But let's get out of here. Get into my baby. Oh my gosh, my car is so annoying. It always honks when I get in. Oh hell no, I forgot the camera holder. Okay, let's go. We're gonna have to listen to the radio because my phone is what has all my music on there. So, and just like I know a bunch of you guys want me to do the vibe with me, drive with me, I have to use my phone to record, and then my phone also has my music, and you can't play them both. So we're gonna have to figure that situation out. But let's go. I'm also gonna have to use my navigation because I don't know where I'm going. But let's see what the radio has. Oh, my song! This was on my last one. Be the one this time. Look, I don't mean to frustrate, but I always make the same mistake. I'm glad my navigation like pulls up on my phone so that I don't have to exit out of here, so we can go places together. What do you guys do when you're in the car? You know what I do? I listen to music that makes me feel so damn good, and I'm just like, I sing it and I feel it, and I really want to play this song, but I don't know how to play a song and record at the same time. And I am connected to Bluetooth. Let me try. It totally cut me off. I think the last time I did like the music one, my niece was with me, so I used her phone because it was the same exact phone as mine to record, and then yeah. Do you ever like, when I'm driving, I always look over in people's cars to like see who's driving, like what are they doing? I'm just curious, you know? This is gonna be fun to edit. I'm excited. I love doing vlogs. They're so much fun. And I think also why I really like vlogs is because I love to watch them. Like, I am obsessed with watching vlogs, so I feel like people would be obsessed with watching me. Maybe. Now we're jumping on the freeway. Okay, tell me where to go. Tell me where to go. For the most part, since I moved out here, for the most part, I know where I'm going. I know where I'm driving. But I just like to have a little reassurance on certain places. Especially this one, I've only been there like once. So, I don't remember it by heart. Sorry, you guys fell. Oh my god, I missed my exit. This is me. More than half the time I'm on the freeway. When I'm out and about, I, for the most part, always miss my exit. And get my nails did. I seen them online, so I thought that they did a decently good job. Because I've shopped around for nails before, and I went to a place where a lot of people recommended it, but I didn't get the guy that everyone was going to. Was some girl, and she did not do good, so it kind of traumatized me, and I don't want to go back to that place. So I've been looking at other places, and this one seemed to take the cake for me, so guess we'll go in here and we'll find out. Okay, so I feel like it went really good. The shape is clean, the color is pretty much spot on to what I wanted. I just did like a really pretty pink color. I should have got them longer. I feel like this is a little bit short for me, but yeah, they turned out really cute. I'm gonna go get some Starbucks because I've been craving Starbucks. So let's. That'll be on shortly. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Thanks. Thank you. I got my drink. I got my drink. Let's put the straw in there. So it's mango dragon fruit with coconut milk. This has been my go-to for a good minute. Little ASMR. I love ASMRs. They're my favorite. Just like the noise. I watch those weird videos where the people are eating, and it's a lot of them are like Chinese, and they're eating a lot of like squids and all these weird foods that like. Is it too late now? Oh, that's not my turn. Did I pass my turn? You know what? Where's my house? Oh, it's that turn. Home, back home. So we just picked up some scooters and we are riding to the basketball game, and it's so freaking cool. Okay.
Or this back part is also the bridge too.
Okay, cool. We're going.
Oh shit, alright, ready? Oh!
Okay.
Wow, then push me.
Let's see. So basically almost every Sunday, or probably eat pho maybe twice a week or so, but I get the brisket and then just a small bowl. Okay, so I forgot to start recording when I started cooking, but I grated this, put some vinegar, and I've got flour in here, some bok choy, and so it wants me to add half of this to garnish. So I'm gonna add a little bit of I get these Blue Apron boxes probably once a week, and I get them on like a Wednesday. They come with 3 meals, so I always cook them for dinner. And basically, I've been doing these for about 3 years. You get to pick if you want poultry, fish, what kind of meat you want. You can do vegetarian. It's $60 a week for 3 meals for 2 people. Again, I've been doing them for about 3 years now, off and on, so I don't have extra money for 1 week. I will skip it, and then, you know, just get them when I can. Already put them in the bowl. Medium high, let that get nice and hot. Make sure those are cooked really good. I'm actually gonna take them off. Grabbed me one of these. It's just mochi. So what they are is they're basically ice cream in a sweet rice dough. And these ones come in a little package like this. And these are basically, these have been cooled down for a minute. Cooked chicken to the top. Hey, look. I just got off from work, so I am actually going to head back home, which is like a good 3 hours away. I'm actually gonna go to the doctor and see why I've been feeling like lightheaded, and I've been getting a lot of headaches and just a lot of things that are not normal to me. Like I don't ever get headaches. If I do, it's like once in a great whenever, or it has to do with me being like sick and stuff like that. feel like I've been very sensitive to like sugars and things like that. So I'm thinking I need to get some tests done and see if my blood sugar's okay, you know, check my glucose, things like that, because I kind of been Googling it. I'm headed back home. I could have went to the doctors out here, but I like the doctors back home, and my birthday is on Monday, so this weekend I'm just going to be spending a bunch of time with family, and I'm not trying to go out. Like, I think, you know, we've gone out a few times, and I think I'm just so over it, and especially with my health right now, I do not feel like going out and being out late and being crazy and wild like I've been the past few months. So I probably won't even be able to like eat birthday cake because I'm just being so fucking sensitive. But yeah.
Didn't want to.